Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe. If you have a Hyundai Santa Fe guys, you need to remove or replace intake camshaft position sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. We got the engine out because we'll be doing many repairs and we'll have videos for each one of those, but you don't have to remove your engine. It will be the same procedure even if the engine is in the vehicle. So stay with us and we're going to cover everything from start to finish, what you need to do to remove and replace intake camshaft position sensor. And if you want to see how to test them, we have a video on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys, how to test camshaft position sensor on a Hyundai. So let's explain how to do that now. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this specifically guys, 2.4 GDI engine that we have here, that's one of the most popular engines in the Hyundai Santa Fe. So let's explain now. Before we start, many of you constantly ask me in the comment section below what computer we use for diagnostics, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can purchase this computer. It can pay itself off in one-time use. Hyundai is right here. It works almost on every car you can think of guys. It's amazing too, which can pay itself off in one-time use. You can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, and see live data, which makes it super powerful tool. Now, what we need to do to actually go ahead, okay, and replace camshaft position sensor. Pull the engine cover up. Once you pull the engine cover, right here guys, okay, this is the intake camshaft position sensor. How you know that? This is the intake side of the engine, this is the exhaust side. So the exhaust sensor is on the back side, okay, the intake camshaft position sensor is on the front side. In order to disconnect it, you need to press that thing down, okay, and pull the wiring harness out. It will be stuck guys. Now the only thing holding it will be a 10mm bolt on the bottom. You may leak some oil out, so offset box wrench works really good here. Okay, and once you get it loose, it can go by hand. Okay, just get it with fingers. Okay, and careful not to drop your bolt, because if you drop it, okay, it's hard to find it guys. So it's a little bit inconvenient place, but it's not too complicated. If you have smaller hands, it's actually even better. So we'll go ahead, do that, remove that bolt. Be prepared to leak some oil out once you remove the sensor. And if you want to see how to test camshaft position sensor on a Hyundai, any Hyundai guys, we have the video on the channel and it will teach you how to do that. It's on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. So please check it out. Now, with that being said, okay, it's almost coming out. Okay, let me grab it now on this side so we don't drop it. Okay, let me pass the camera. I'm gonna hold it with 2 fingers here. Okay, and practically we're out guys. Okay, not to drop that bolt. Perfect. Now the sensor, it may be stuck. You may try to turn it a little bit, okay, like that. You can turn it a little bit, wiggle it, okay, and it will come out. It may be really stuck. If that seal right here guys, it's really dry, that seal may be stuck to the cylinder head and you may have a hard time removing it. Okay? This is guys the sensor. Okay, you can see just like that. So if you need to guys, okay, test it again, we have the video. If you need to buy a new one, we have the link in the description of the video below where you can buy the parts from. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.